Armed with her shampoo mix and leftover water bottles collected from catering events, Sarah has everything she needs for a free car wash.
She loves collecting her water bottles because that's how she washes her car.
We use the water bottles and some napkins from these catering events. We're gonna use about 4 bottles of water to go ahead and suds up and start the wash. AJ, grab you some napkins over there. Come on. I wet my rag up, suds it on up, and wash the car. Then the rain comes down and rinse it for me.
Washing a car at home can use over 500 gallons of water.
It's about to rain. Guys, let's get going.
But by timing her car washes with Florida's frequent thunderstorms,
Thunder's coming, y'all.
Sarah never has to turn on a faucet.
The big rinse is here.